Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to harvest the potato. Look at that. Is almost, some is dead. Look at here. Yep, and other one, the other part here is completely dead. We see what's going on. Look at that. So now I'm going to move the pot here so I have room. Yep, so let's go. We see what's inside, guys. I'm so excited. I see it already. Yep. So I wanna put the camera here. Sorry if the sunlight is strong, or hopefully you see good. So let's go, guys. I just put my gloves because my hands is getting, I just fixed the camera. Yes, so but right now let's go to play. I have basket here. This is a small one. A lot of small one. Yeah. Yep. Right here. Yep. A lot of small one. Yeah. Oh. That is growing. Oops. I'm going to put in the ground this one. Hopefully you see good, guys. Just like that. Remove this one first. Oh. Oops. You see what's going on. What's going on inside. That's it. And then let's go to find. Here we go. A lot of small one. So fun. Here we go. Hopefully you see good, guys. Oops. Oops. This one. First time I plant like this. It's growing. Yeah. Oops. Potato. First time I plant potato this year. So, oops. Earthworm. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, not bad. It's in the corner, So now let's go this area. You remember, guys, you have a potato right here, close to the tomato plant. Let's go to underneath here, like this. Okay, hopefully you see good, guys, because I can't hold the camera right now. Yeah. Yeah. So let's go to digging a little bit here. Yeah, because I plant this area, guys. Look at that. Sorry, I hold the camera because I don't have. It's hard to get the angle here. So we see what's going on underneath here. Sorry if the camera is moving. Yep. This is, I plant the red potatoes here. The grapes. So since I'm here, I want to finish this job here. This is the potato right here. Look like that. Oops, come here. It's rolling. Yep. Yeah. So here we go. This one right here, red potatoes. Oops. Yep. That's cute. Oh my god. Yeah, because first time I plant, guys, so I have no idea how to grow this, but at least, you know, we get something. Yeah. Okay, that's it. We are done. So here we go, guys, all these things. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe, everybody. God bless you all. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining me here. Yeah. See you our next vlog, guys. Stay safe, everybody. God bless you all. Bye bye.